Hello my loves, it's Kasia Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my dashboard layout, which is a new day classic size happy planner. It is from 2021, so I'm going to be redating it. It is for the week of September 26th through October 2nd. And as always, I am gluing down the left side of my custom made page, which helps me track all of my videos and posts and etc. So if this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. I hope you like it here. If you are joining me again and choosing to spend more time with me, welcome. I really hope you like it here. Today I'm going to be using two sticker books. I'm going to be using this is a sticker book that I've used last week in my journal. I wanted to finish that little bits and pieces of the sticker book, and I'm going to be using the Fall Harvest 5-page sticker book from the Happy Planner. I think that's such a fun little book to play with, so I'm going to be doing that in my dashboard today. Okay, let's just keep going. I'm going to put next week up here. So the first thing I put was like a weekly thing, and I can plan my videos for next week or something like that in there. Okay, then I'm going to take all of these little checklists, and some of them are full, some of them are half, so I'm going to cut them so all of them are half. All of them will have 3 dots, and I think that's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and add those to my planner. Like so. Okay, I think that looks great. And then I can go ahead and add a couple boxes here and there as decoration as well. So I'm just finishing up that sticker book. Like I said, I love this sticker book. I think it's perfect for fall, and I wanted to make sure that it gets used up. I'm just cutting this a little bit. Sorry, I'm a little off of camera today, but it's too late to do anything because, as you guys know, this is a voiceover. Okay, so I'm just adding little flowers here and there. I'm gonna add this dark strip of washi. I think that's gonna look fantastic in here. I'm gonna lift it up just slightly and then put it back on more straight. I really hate when my things are crooked. Okay, it's time for the fall harvest. I'm gonna add some stuff to it. So first off, I'm gonna use a correction tape on all of these dates of the week, and then I'm gonna put this quote in here. It is gold, but it's so pretty, you guys. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this, which is like a sweater with a book, with some shoes, like all of these cozy stuff. I think I've seen the same design in the Call of a Plan book. Like bigger sticker, but I think the same design, I'm not sure. I think I recall something like this. Maybe in her seasonal. Anyhow, I'm gonna grab a couple more things from this lovely This Is Us book. So I'm gonna add this girl with coffee and another girl with coffee, like a coffee date, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add this laptop that's like working right there, since this is my social media. Okay, let's redate this puppy. So 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, and then 1st and 2nd. So that's how this month goes. Okay, so that's redated. That makes me super, super happy. We can move on with decorating some more in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these like leaves and florals and stuff like that to the planner to make sure it looks super cute. Because I noticed that when my spreads are something that I really like and it turned out exactly how I wanted, I am way more likely to use it, you guys. I haven't not used my planner in a very long time. I haven't had like a week that I skipped or missed in over a year, I think, and last year was because we were moving, so my stuff was backstop. I still planned it was just on clear, like no sticker spreads. Outside of that, I haven't been missing, but I also have been loving a lot of the stuff that I've been creating. Like for this week, my catch-all is probably one of my favorites of all time, with all the browns and blues for the fall. It's like perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding stuff like today, important, remember, and so on to the days. I think that'll be good to have it on there. Let's see. I think I'll add a little bit of that gold throughout. So we're gonna put priority. And no, these are not visible today. Important. Reminder. We're gonna do another reminder. And then priority, and then one more. Important. Okay. So all of these now have all of the lovely little things. So I'm gonna add a quote saying autumn vibes because it completely is. Our weather in Chicago has turned from like nice 80s to low 60s and 50s, so we're definitely in a fall zone. Makes me kind of sad because that just means that winter is fast approaching and I'm absolutely not ready for that. So if you guys love fall, I'm sorry. I love the colors and I love like the spreads that I make, but weather-wise, I wish the trees looked like that and it was summer. Does that make sense? So that's kind of where I am, and I still love decorating for fall and making our house pretty and my planner pretty and all of that stuff kind of fun. So here we go. I'm gonna add these little socksy, so little socks right next to the umbrella. Let's add some sunglasses, even though it's no longer summer. I'm so sad. Mittens. Well, I'm not ready for mittens in fall, but winter, yes, definitely. Okay, I'm gonna add some more boots. I think this is like a mosh podge of stuff that is just fall related, and I think it does look very good. Let me know what you guys think. If you think otherwise, let me know. If you love it like I do, also let me know. I love knowing any of this. And some slippers. another umbrella, and I'm pretty much done. I'm just finishing up the spread with a couple trinkets and I'll be done. I'm gonna put this back in my planner and see how it looks. But I think it's pretty full and fun. I hope you guys enjoyed creating this with me. I know it's, like I said, it's a Mod Podge, but it works for me. I hope if you like stuff like that, it will work for you as well. It was nice spending time with you guys as always, and I hope you have a good week ahead. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.